The 2025 Deep Blue SL03 515 Pure Electric Classic version has officially been launched. The car will be sold in a limited number of 4,000 units at a consumer-friendly price of 119,900 yuan. In terms of appearance design, it continues its unique aesthetic concept. The semi-closed shape design on the front side complements the triangular-shaped headlight set. The addition of adaptive full LED light sources makes night driving safer. The dynamic front surround kit and the trapezoidal darkened air intake together create a sporty stance ready for the road. The design of the four-door frameless doors and hidden door handles on the side of the car's body not only enhances the car's sense of technology, but also reduces the wind resistance coefficient. The design of the transitional taillight group, the movable rear wing and the hatchback trunk lid make the rear of the car look more stylish and dynamic. In terms of body size, the length, width and height are 4,820 by 1,890 by 1,480 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,900 mm. This size provides both a spacious and comfortable interior and provides the vehicle with a more stable driving performance. In addition, the new car is equipped with 19-inch wheels with two 45/45 R19 tires as standard, which provides the vehicle with better road holding and driving stability. In terms of interior design, it meets expectations. The center console area is equipped with a dual-spoke, flat-bottomed steering wheel, a 10.2-inch LCD display and a 14.6-inch hanging, rotating, sunflower-shaped, technology-packed central control screen. The addition of an electronic gear shift mechanism makes gear changing easier and faster. In addition, the new car also comes standard with L2 level-assisted driving systems including lane departure warning, front and rear collision warning, active braking, merge assistant, lane centering, 360 degrees panoramic view plus 180 degrees transparent chassis and fully automatic driving. Speed Adaptive Cruise provides comprehensive safety protection to drivers. In terms of comfort configuration, the addition of panoramic sunshade, built-in driving recorder, 50W mobile phone wireless charging in the front row, 6-channel speakers and dual-zone automatic air conditioning make the car's interior environment more comfortable and enjoyable. The installation of Deepal OS car system, the car's satellite navigation system, roadside assistance service, Huawei HiCar/CarPlay mobile phone interconnection mapping, in-car 4G network plus Wi-Fi hotspot, OTA upgrade, voice recognition control system for driver and passenger, application center, etc. functions will meet all the needs of modern people in smart travel. As for the seats, it adopts a 5-seater layout. The seats are covered with artificial leather material, which is both beautiful and practical. In terms of seat functionality, the new car comes standard with functions such as electric adjustment of the front seats, ventilation/heating of the front seats, driver seat memory, etc., and the rear seats also support a 40:60 ratio. It can be folded to provide better comfort for passengers. It provides a more flexible driving space. In terms of power unit, it is equipped with a rear single motor with a maximum power of 190 kilowatts, 258 PS, and a maximum torque of 320 Nm. This power configuration enables the new car to accelerate from 0 to 100 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds, and the top speed can reach 170 km per hour. In terms of battery life, the new car is equipped with a 58.1 kWh ternary lithium battery pack, and the CLTC pure electric range reaches 515 km, meeting all the needs of daily travel.